Copywriting for local business owners. Hi there, if you are a business owner, then copywriting is much simpler. You don't need a long copy to convince your audience. All you have to do is to play on their desires and make them want to consume your products or services. Let's suppose you have a pizza restaurant. Here is an example of what you can write. Do you see how he is describing the pizza? Imagine reading this beautiful text and seeing the photo of this pizza in the ad. A lot of people will feel the urge to comment now. So if you are a local business owner, all you have to do is to awaken the desire of your audience and give them a small discount to push them to take action now. That's it for this lecture. Hopefully it was easy and fun. See you in the next one.